Let's get a quick handle now on what's happening in the F&O world. Ashish Chaturmohta, the Director and Head of Research at JM Financial Services, joins in. Ashish, good morning. The market has had 6 days of a fall. Do you see a respite coming through, and is it sustainable? Also, what are individual stocks that you're looking at today?
Hi, good morning. So I think, see, broadly, after 6 days of correction, now we are seeing a gap up opening, and SGX is indicating a good gap up, that too on an expiry day. So clearly, on expiry day, if we see a move towards 17,000, it is going to, force a lot of this, call writers to cover up their positions, because, yesterday we breached 200-day moving average, and it forced a lot of, new traders to create short positions into call options. So I think now that position is going to get stuck into the market, and if we sustain about 17,000 levels in the first half hour of trade, then I believe that there could be a short covering. Although we firmly believe it's going to be more sell on rise market, but definitely in a shorter term, a pullback towards 17,200 to 17,250 could not be ruled out. So yes, next 1 to 3 days we expect some kind of pullback or recovery into the market. But keeping that in mind, I think some long ideas and short ideas we are creating. So on the long side, we feel that SRF is looking quite good after 6 days of correction. We are seeing a very good interest in the fluorine based players. So we have seen Gujarat Fluoros saw a very good rise in the last couple of trading sessions. Now SRF, after 6 days of correction from 2800 to almost 2450 kind of trajectory, we feel that one can initiate a long in SRF with keeping 2420 as a stop loss. On upside, 2650, 2700 could be short-term target one can witness in SRF. Eicher Motors is looking very strong despite the sell-off we have witnessed in the broader market. This stock failed to even breach the 20-day moving average, and we have not seen any significant liquidation of long positions in Eicher Motors despite the sell-off we have witnessed in most of the other auto players. So I think this could be bought with a stop around 3,500 on upside. 3,800 would be my short-term target in Eicher Motors. In the defensive basket, I think Dr. Reddy's has given a very strong breakout after consolidating for good 6 to 8 weeks time frame. And in yesterday's trading session, we have seen good build-up in Dr. Reddy's, DB's Lab kind of pharma names. So Dr. Reddy could be bought with a stop around 4,200 on upside. 4,360 would be my short-term target. And on the sell side, Bharat Forge is looking very weak. Stock has given a breach, below 7-8 weeks consolidation with good amount of short buildup. So keeping 718 as a trading stop loss, one can initiate a short in Bharat Forge. On downside, 650 would be my short-term target in the stock.
Okay, thanks a lot, Ashish, for that. Well, we're just counting down to the pre-opening rates. Some of them are kicking in. It's not such a bad showing, actually. The Nifty is fine. I mean, there's not such a big pullback as the SGX was suggesting.